pulled up in a hearse. What the?
Not these guys.
So I made it to the car show, and this what's going on. Damn. Rock, what's going on, man? Yeah. What this is? Ass. This just so tough. Hey, what this is? 6'4" or 6'2"? This jump hard. It's a track hop. So I just met my boy, he do content too. That was his cat. I'm about to take in my jump. Right here. Then my partner Bo jump. I'm about to crank it up with my boy here. So me and Mopar delete on that jump. Bo gay. Somebody over there getting active. I hear a supercharged. It's a regular Jeep, but they turned it up. I think there's some Rennie Rucci's on there. I think they were him with the supercharged. Had to be. I ain't gonna lie, I think that blue and white car that I saw earlier won this junk. Ain't nobody came harder than him yet. Brady pulled up in a hearse. I hate Memphis. Brother folks pulled up in a hearse. This your junk?
Yeah.
Why you do that?
All right, so look, I'm Viz, now on the company by the name of Memphis Rap. So we do everything from vehicle wraps to cars, signs, walls, but we specialize in wrapping caskets. So when we have to do things for our customers, we're gonna pick them up the right way. You know what I'm saying?
For sure, for sure. So he wrapped cars, and then why he pulled up. Like, I don't even know what type of engine they got inside a hearse. This junk remind me of Bankroll Freddy junk. Free that man. He got Forgiato with the spikes. I ain't never seen that before. This junk tough too. But I mess with old school. I ain't gonna lie. When I get done with fast shit, I'm gonna give me an old school. I'm gonna give me a Chevelle. First young nigga to do it.
I've been looking for your hope, man. Where she go, where she go?
This sound crazy. Whoa. That bitch sound nasty, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, where you buy your Hellcat hood from? Where you buy the Hellcat hood from?
Yeah, okay with it.
You got lucky as hell, bro.
You ticked on this one.
Have to worry about a cat. But that joint got white seats. Then they got this Z28 right here. I don't know what this is. That joint ain't regular though. Hey, yo, Lotto, this junk won. If this junk don't win, I know something. So I end up getting this Italian ice pineapple thing. What's all on that junk? But I end up getting this right here. I don't even know what's in here. I just bought it. It ain't no alcohol in here, no, though. They get active out there on the main street, so I'm about to go up there. Active. Police shutting it down. Like they got everything outside. This shit is outside. It's so much going on. They police pulled up. Bro, this shit is outside. Bro, these folks get active. There's so much going on right now. Hold on. They gotta fill this junk though. Woo! Hey, they're gonna rap stars on airway. They're gonna rap stars on airway. Alright, so my partner, he was spinning my car. The thread popped out like real bad. So I had to call my boy, fix it for me. Long live dog. If you're not from the city, dog got killed right here. And they still got the shit on there or whatever. Long live that man. But yeah. I had to get my wheel lock key. Got that thing. Cause you know I need car. Need it right there. Here you go. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see it when I take it off, but boy, the thing, there it go. This messed up. That popped out. My boy down some real cold. I don't know what he doing. Getting this shit done. Bro, so they sold me the car with a strip wheel lock. So my boy just had to get under my car and beat it off. We back up and running. Got a little spare tire. My fault. I should have been bought it, but I didn't. So this is a recap of last night or whatever. They sold me a strip wheel lock. Like this is stripped bad, so they couldn't even get the tire off last night when they pulled up to help me. So they had to take their rubber off and put the other one on and fill it up with air. I guess I drove on it a little too long, so these strings came out like this from the old tire. This not really no damage or nothing, which I ain't really tripping, but it just caught around the axle a little bit. And the wire is so sharp that, I don't know if y'all can see it, it ripped my fender up right there. So I gotta get a new one right there. Like, that's not supposed to be like that. But last night was legendary though. Like I said, though, I was gonna burn these up anyway, cause they too small. That's actually a 255, and the rest of them are 245. So I'm riding offset. I might as well go get the 305s. Like I told y'all I was gonna do in my last video, Don Julio did this right here. So I'm gonna get that fixed too, but. Alright, so when I dropped my car off this morning, what they were about? 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I went 305. So yes, sir, it ain't no more sliding for real. Now I can put the power down, actually. Went Nitto G2s. Now I just gotta get that fixed. Like I said, my boy Don Julio did that. He wasn't paying no attention, he backed up into a security car or whatever. So we got 245 in the front, and we got 305 in the back. My boy forgot to take the my old tire when it bust open. it got wrapped around the axle and he forgot to take it off on some shit. He forgot to take it off, so now he finna pull it off. Like some of the old tire, it got caught up while the wheel was turning. So he finna take the tire back off and he finna unwrap this from around the axle. The tire's so wide. But yeah, other than that, everything look good. I don't know. Now I see why folks be doing this. Y'all gonna see me close up this gap one day. I was expecting to be a little more flush with the car, but it's not. There go that boy, that man.
Did he ever talk to you about the coverage at all? Like, did he?
Alright, so I wanted to keep them one tires that I had, and he threw them away. So I just got 2 free brand new tires. So I broke the CV axle.
Might be a little cooked on that one.
Yeah, I'm cooked. My boy just spent a single cab. What? Alright, so yesterday I was recording, I was driving, the tread got too little, I ain't noticed. The tire had popped, and one of my homeboys called me. He was like, why your car sparking? So I get out, and the tread, it was bald. The wire was showing, it was time for some new tires. But it was only one tire, so I told Buddy to keep the one tire that one messed up. He ended up throwing them away. So I got blessed with 2 brand new tires. I'm finna burn these up instantly. We go Nitto. I think these the G2s on there. These joints so wide, like they so wide you can see the tires like from the back sticking out. I probably should be responsible though, and like use these for like spare tires, and that would be a good thing to do as an upstanding young man. But I'm not. Finna burn these up. So next video, y'all stay tuned for that. They really just blessed me with 2 tires. I only bought 2 tires today for the back. It was $887 for them tires. So next time y'all ask somebody to slide, just remember they paying $1,000 for 2 tires. So keep that in mind. We're back to what I was saying though. They said I broke my CV axle. Like when the tire popped open, this thread right here, and I think I heard it. I think it broke this morning. Like when I was showing y'all, I bagged out and I heard a pop. So I think that's what did it. Cause the string, it was long, but then this came off and it was short when I just showed y'all when you had to take the car back around to put it in there. So yeah, I gotta get a new CV axle cause the wire cut into this one. So I'm gonna drop the car off this week, and then when I do that, I'm getting that fixed. And after I get all that out the way, straight pipe. So let's do it. I'll catch y'all in the next one.